Hey, welcome back Bellaras. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an easy DIY cinnamon lip scrub that's perfect for exfoliating and hydrating your lips. Let's get started. First, add 2 teaspoons of sugar to your mixing bowl. Sugar is the star of this scrub. Its tiny granules are perfect for buffing away dry, flaky skin. Next, add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Not only does it smell amazing, but it also boosts blood flow, giving your lips a natural rosy tint. Now, add 1 teaspoon of honey. This keeps the scrub sticky and holds it together while hydrating your lips. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. It's rich in antioxidants and deeply nourishes your lips. Mix everything together until you get a thick, grainy paste. It should look and smell amazing. Now that our scrub is ready, it's time to use it. You can store it in a clean, airtight container. It will last up to a week if kept in a cool, dry place. Scoop a small amount onto your fingertips or a clean brush and gently massage the scrub onto your lips in circular motions for about 1 to 2 minutes. This exfoliates dead skin while the honey and olive oil lock in moisture. Once done scrubbing, wipe it off with a damp cloth or rinse it with lukewarm water. You'll immediately feel how soft and smooth your lips are. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!